There are two apps that I want to show you here. One is the Gmail account. Now, you might have a Gmail account already, or you might have another program that you do your emails on your phone. But the great thing about Gmail is that it uses your Google account. Basically, you're already halfway there. We set it up ages ago. So let's dive into it and have a look around the program. Find the Gmail app. It can either be in apps or it can be on a folder on your home screen called Google. Tap on the Gmail icon and then wait for it to load. On first loading, you'll get this welcome screen. Now you can either skip it or you can swipe to the left and press done. Now we're at this stage, it's asking you about your email address. You can start up a new one, so you can add an email address, or you can just take yourself straight to Gmail. We're going to set up a new one because we've created this one before. Remember, we created it at the start of the lessons. If we click on add an email address, and then when we click on that, we click on Google, we'll be able to add that email address that we made before. So once it's done checking your info, it'll ask you, who are you? Are you already a Gmail account holder? Which we are, so we'll type that in. Now once that is typed in, press next. Now you're going to want to put in your password. Once the password's typed in, you'll get greeted by wanting to accept the terms and conditions. Click on accept down the bottom right hand corner. From there it checks your info. And what it'll do is it'll ask you if you want to turn on the backup feature. Now it's up to you if you turn it on or off. You can add these later on, but at the moment we're going to turn it on. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on next. And there we have it. We've added our email address to Gmail. And you can see there that Joe Bloggs is added. Now all we need to do is click on take me to Gmail and it'll jump straight into Joe's email address. And as you can see there, we've got one email and it's from Google anyway, so that's totally fine. But this is where people, when they send you emails, will pop up. Gmail has all the functionality of a great email program. You can send emails to anybody, you can attach stuff, you can add your contacts, you can do calendar appointments, anything like that you can do within the same app. So you can do it all within Gmail and it all uses the same Google login. Let's have a look at another app called Google Hangouts. Uses your login again, but this one is all about texting, voice chat, all that kind of stuff that you might get yourself into later on. Let's have a look. Google Hangouts is a great app that you can use to send messages, send pictures and files to someone over the internet. Doesn't cost you anything from your service provider for texting, as it's all done through the internet. How cool is that? Let's set up Google Hangouts for first time use and let's send a photo to a friend. In your apps folder or in your Google folder on your homepage, you'll find Hangouts. It looks like two little quotation marks. Let's fire that up. Just to be aware, it can ask you for your mobile number. That's totally fine. It just wants to know that this is your phone that you're using. Next, it'll ask you to look in your contacts. That's okay too, but let's skip it for now. At this stage, you should see the main page of Google Hangouts. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a green ball with a plus sign in it. Press on that and then press on New Conversation. In this new conversation, it's asking you for a person's name at the top. Email address, phone number, whatever you want to type in. Let's type in Epic Learning's Hangout ID. So all we have to do is type in Epic spacebar Learning. Now as you can see, I've typed in Epic Learning all in one and there's no results that have come up. So how about we go back and we put Epic with a spacebar between Learning, and we should see that Epic Learning's Hangout ID will pop up once we have a look down. And there it is, the second one in the list. Now we're loaded into a conversation. Now if we have a look at the top of the keyboard, you've got a few options. First one is a smiley face icon. Now that one will be able to put smiley faces, pretty much, into your chat. The next one is the upload box. This button is for uploading photos that you already have on your phone to the person you're talking to. The next one is a camera icon. This is for taking photos from within the app and sending them to the person right away. The next one is the video icon. You can record yourself or someone else in a short video and send it off to the chatter. The next one is stickers. This is kind of like smiley faces, but bigger and fancier. And then the last one is crosshairs. Now this basically shows your location while you're chatting to someone. So if you can say, hey, meet me here, it'll put your location in as long as you've got the GPS turned on. And that's pretty much it. That's Google Hangouts for you.